Good afternoon, everybody. What we're going to do today, we're going to cook some smash burgers. A buddy of mine at Holten Meats asked me to test this out and see what we thought. I've been in the food business a long time, and I kind of like the idea that they asked me to test it out. What this is, they call it 1904 Signature Tri-Blend. This product is a blend, a proprietary blend of primal cuts. It's Chuck Brisket and Sirloin. And they do it in several different sizes. They do it in a 8-ounce patty, a 7-ounce, and a 4-ounce, which we're going to use here today as a smash burger. It's fresh. The product was always ground and packaged within 5 days of harvesting. It's got a really good shelf life, about a 24-day shelf life. And I don't know you can see it on the camera or not, but this says 6/9/23, either used by or freeze by. It's got a really nice pull tab here on the top for this package. Makes it easy to kind of open it right up. I'm just going to throw that in there, and we'll flip it over here. Put that in there. Let's see. And what we've got is each one of these little bundles is layered with a wrapper, so you can separate them pretty easy. And what we've got is these individual little pucks. Okay, and I just separate those so I can do sliders. I could do bigger patties. We're going to take this real quick. Oh, let me see if my scale's on. And we're going to weigh these here in just a second. That's 4 ounce. So each one of these is a 4-ounce smash burger, or a patty for a smash burger. So that's what we're going to do with these right here. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put them on this plate, and we're going to take them outside. The nice thing about doing a smash burger is it only takes about 2 minutes on each side because they're nice and thin, but they cook so fast that they retain their moisture. So we're going to go ahead and fade out here. We're going to come back in a couple of minutes and we'll see you out at the grill. Okay, so we're going to do our 4-ounce smash burgers. Got them on a 350, 375 flat cast iron grill. This is a lodge, they call it. I put it on top of my regular grill, and then I can take and do these smash burgers. I don't think I would try this on a regular grill. Now, they do have pre-pattied 1904 burgers that are ready to go on top of the regular grill. But if you're going to do a smash burger, well, pretty obvious, you got to have a flat top to smash it on. And the other part of that is, once you do it, I smash these burgers. I'm going to put it on 2 minutes, cook them, then I'm going to flip them. And I'm going to cook them 2 minutes more, and I'm going to leave them alone. I think a lot of times people, the issue with burgers that are dried out, people play with them too much. People also like to smash them again. I have these, like I said, we smashed them for a smash burger. We'll cook them 2 minutes. We'll flip them. We'll cook them for 2 minutes, and we'll take them off the heat. That way they'll retain all their juice and moisture. But I'm going to cook these to a temperature, between 150 and 160. That's where I like them. Some people like them rare, some people like them a little more well done. but to me, that's about the perfect temperature. So I think we'll come back to you in a few minutes. Let's give it another minute and we'll come back to you. Okay, we've cooked her for 2 minutes on one side. Now we've given it a nice flip. And we'll give it 2 minutes on this side. And then we will come back to you. That's really all it amounts to. That's how simple it is. And we'll come back to you and show you some of our favorite toppings. Okay, everybody, like I promised, we were going to show you guys some of our finished burgers with a few of our favorite fixins. Of course, I'm an American cheese guy. I just kind of like that American double, you know, with American cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, onion, pickle, and a little bit of bacon. Definitely some mayo and some Cuban mustard. The wife, on the other hand, she kind of likes the Swiss. So her burger is a double Swiss with onion rings, bacon, and a little bit of the smoky Andrea barbecue sauce. I think I'm going to also throw a few mushrooms on mine and some fresh guacamole. Gotta have the guacamole. Anyways, I just thought I'd say thank you very much for watching our video today. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. We're always looking for new subscribers. You guys have a great rest of your day, and thank you for watching.